It's a hang glider. And that's straight down. Papunkah, I think. All the mountains. I get my legs shake. I'm all Joe Cool until I stand on here. Now I'm nowhere near the slopey bit. I remember going down there at the end. Well, actually, I went up there. Now I'll continue around. There's people up there at that lookout. Pan up, there you go, and pull it back down. And there's people. Pull the camera out over the edge. So that's the gorge. I'd love to know the height, but the sense of scale is the people. Oh, they're gone. Oh, no, they're there. So that's the gorge. That's pretty much straight down there. Pull out a bit. That's probably more like what I can see. And just hang it over the edge. It's so high. And we pull back this way, and there's my lovely view. And there's my finger again. There's the view of all the mountains. I can't begin to tell you what's what.